Today we got a product from a company called Ribow. They have wireless headphones. I'm pretty sure they are called over-ear headphones. There's a lot of different types of headphones out there, but we are going to just test these headphones out and let's see if they're worth your money. So we got the headphones right here. They are called the XBT780 wireless headphones. Long standby time is up to 180 hours. Memory foam cushion, softer than a baby's skin. That's a little weird, okay. Transmission distance, 10 to 15 meters. That's pretty far, that's a good distance. 3.5 millimeter jack cable, and then an LED light indicator. The red and blue lights flash alternatively. LEDs are always a good plus. Speaker size on the headphones are 50 millimeters. That's pretty good for a decent priced headphone set. But these headphones, but again, they're budget headphones. I'm not really expecting a lot from them. So you guys all know Beats, right? Beats, they stepped up the game with packaging for headphones. Ever since Beats came out, I think headphones packaging has been raised a level or two since its original times of headphones. This packaging is not the worst packaging. It's all right. It's just a little plastic thing. We got the headphones. We'll set these over to the side. We'll deal with those a little later. This is our 3.5 millimeter jack cable, braided so the cable doesn't fray. It's got controls on it and it's got a microphone so you can play, pause, put the volume up, put the volume down. I really like that it's got a set of controls on the cable. You don't need to always pull out your phone, change your songs or pause or play your music. That's a really nice feature about this cable. The charging cable, it's micro USB. It's not braided like the aux cable. I wish it was braided, but it's not. So it might fray eventually. Oh wow, there's another thing in here. Oh wow, it comes with a little pouch for the headphones. A leather pouch for your headphones. I don't think I've ever gotten one of these before for my headphones. Another plus with these headphones, man. This is nice. These are the headphones, the company name right there, Ribow. They have a matte finish to them. It's plastic. It kind of feels cheap to it, but there's a positive side to plastics because with plastics, they're lightweight. With metals, it's more heavier. You're gonna be dealing with more weight on your head. On the headphones, we have skip tracks on the headphones itself. So if you wanna go wireless and not go wired, you can skip tracks just with the headphones. They have a leather feel to them. With leather, sometimes if you wear leather for too long, you can sweat, and leather isn't the best type of material to be getting wet. Try the headphones out. Okay, so another thing about these headphones is, and I don't see this in a lot of headphones, they actually say powered on. They also say connected when they connect to a device, and then they also say powering off. So I'm pairing the headphones. Obviously they're called the XBT780s on your phone. That's what they're going to be called. So I'm going to pair them. Pairing successful. Alright, so let's play some music now, baby. Damn, they're crisp as hell, man. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way up, baby. Alright, I can't even hear myself talk, man. What is happening? What is happening? My body is taking over, baby. Okay, that was, I feel like I went to a different planet. If you're looking for a budget pair of headphones and you're not looking to spend like, I guess $400 on a pair of headphones, or even a matter of the fact, over $200 on a pair of headphones, I totally recommend these headphones. These headphones are awesome. They sound crisp and they're really comfortable, and they come with carrying pouch so they won't get damaged or anything. So y'all, we all know what this is. What is this? Gadget Tech Hey, so guys, like this video if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, it'll help me out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and we all know this has been Gadget.